Hey wig lovers, we have a great video for you today, and it's all about the 5 major must-have accessories that you need for your wig that you just can't live without. These are my everyday must-haves, and I can't wait to tell you what they are and why. Accessory number 1 is the Revlon Texturizing Cleanser. This is for synthetic fibers, and it's perfect for your wig, so it's essential that you definitely use a wig-friendly shampoo. This shampoo will maintain the life of your wig and keep it moisturized and frizz-free. And so it's really light and it's a great shampoo. You might want to use this one about every 10 wear. Accessory number 2 is the Jon Renau Fiber Love Conditioning Spray. This is a leave-in conditioner that you spritz on your hair. I like to use this right after I wash my wig when the hair is still damp. You spritz this on and it prevents frizz, it keeps it moisturized, and just really makes your style that much more fabulous. Now I also like to take this conditioning spray and at the end of the day I spritz it on the ends to really give it moisture and to prevent it from drying out. So it's a really great product to have that I must have for my wig. Accessory number 3 is the Wig Grip Comfort Band. This is a soft, velvety band that goes around your head. It keeps your wig on securely and keeps it from sliding and slipping. Now, what I love about this band is that you can reuse it and it can be washed. It's machine washer safe, and it's Velcro, so it adjusts to your size, so you can tighten it up so it really feels secure and snug to your head. Accessory number 4 is the Revlon Wig Stand. I mostly use this wig stand for drying my wigs. I place my wigs when they're damp on the wig stand. It allows a quick drying time frame and it keeps the shape of my wig. You can also use this wig stand for storing, and it collapses, so it's perfect for traveling. Accessory number 5, the Jon Renau Wide Tooth Comb. This wide tooth comb is perfect for your wig. It prevents matting and tangling. I like to put this one in my purse and comb my wig throughout the day to keep it fresh and fabulous. I hope these accessories and tips really helped you out today. If you're new to wigs, these are 5 accessories that will really get you started. If you're not new to wigs, they're great to add to your collection. And if you have any personal favorite accessories, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear about those and why you love them. And if you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like it, and we would love for you to subscribe to our channel. That way you can see more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching today, everyone, and I'll see you next time.